I actually feel that I wanted to share my experience of the last months, because first I was in a place with a lot of dedication and like really committed to every practice, and I feel I'm still daily committed. But now the last 1.5 months, I feel that there is this flow, because I feel my frequency really got higher, and yeah, there's so much abundance, and then I feel so much distraction in a lot of beautiful things. And sometimes I wonder if I'm balancing well, because I can sit on my cushion all day. I'm not going to do that. So I also want to enjoy life, and I'm not sure if I'm too hard on myself and too critic in if I'm committed enough, or maybe or the program is just hitting me and pulling me back and giving all these distractions. I'm just not, yeah, I'm just a bit searching in that, and I wanted to share because, yeah.
Yeah, that is the most lovely question I have received in the last month. I'm going to tell you why. Some people, they believe that meditating, you have to be very serious, and then you have to very disciplined and so on. At the same time, life, according to your state, since you're shifting, blessings and new opportunities and things, they're going to be projected in the world. And now you can enjoy them, you can enjoy those things, but it's good to really know who is enjoying that experience. The ego mind who want to get, let's say, distracted, or the real you who is enjoying it, but you will never lose sight of who you are. One question would be, hey, in this moment, who is enjoying? And you connect with this. For example, if you see a lovely, let's say, landscape, you're seeing a beautiful sunrise, and then you are so attached into it. Oh my God, look at this as sunrise. Instead of, hey, what is here enjoying this? Who is observing beyond this? And you connect with this sunrise will even have more power. It will be more colorful, more energetic, because it's not only the part of you who wants to be special because he's seeing a different beautiful sunrise, but it's the one that is seeing it, that you become one with it and you look at the sunrise. The same thing with experiences, with people, with friends, with opportunities, with dancing, with music. And when you're dancing, it's your spirit dancing with you. It's always just the mind. Oh, look at me, how special I am. It's about where you put the focus. In your case, I can see that the joy is there, and then it's quite pure. So yeah, enjoy. And the mind tried to get in the way to get you out. But you said, no, it's a part of the spirit, because don't deny the reality, even though you know it's an illusion, but you're playing with illusion, but you never lose track of who you are. That's the thing.
Yeah, really helpful. Yeah, it's really beautiful.